Zapatero ng Project C. At bola ng Project Z, Zapatero. What a pass. Kendoma is good. Official score 11-9. Zapatero. Foul. Basket and one. Zapatero is good. Deadlock tayo. All. 11 body shot. Atin sa inyo ng SBL. Dunkin Donut. Pasalubong ng bayan. Shot of the day is good. Zapatero. Tatalo. Hindi lang nakakompleto. Rebound number 17. Zapatero. Zapatero. Coast to coast. Zapatero. What a pass. It's good. Ang kalamangan. Nantatala Zapatero. For the 3. Yes, sir. SBL. No. Rebound number 17. Zapatero. Power move. Second drive. Putback. Zapatero is good. Pass to number 21. Opsima. Yes, sir. Babasa 5 ang kalamangan ng Project Z. Dalilo. Pass to number 26. Opsima for the 3. Money. Nakakadalawang tres na yan si Opsima. When a pass, Opsima. Easy layup is good. Magandang gabi. Naka-play Kendoma to Zapatero. Gandang play nyo ng Project C. Oras na 8 minutes exactly. Kendoma. Basket is good to Zapatero. Oras natin 7 minutes exactly. Zapatero, pangatlong tres na ba yan? Yes, sir! Atin sa inyo ng SBL. Dunkin Donut jumper. No! Rebound na kanino? Kendoma. Pass to number 17. Zapatero for the parking lot. Yes, sir! Grabe naman si Zapatero. Pang-apat na tres ng SBL. Kanina, first game natin, nalaig ang Q&A kontra Mindset. Final score, 77-66. Opsima is good. And a second quarter, Opsima. Wala pass. Wala jumper. It's good. Papawi Season 3, second conference. Opsima for the 3. Money is good. Katid sa inyo na usap dito ng Project Z. Zapatero for the 3. Money is good. 68-62. Baba sa 6 mga Opsima. Bawi kaagad yung ginawa dito. Natatala Bullies. Project Z. Quinto, reading the ball. Opsima for the 3. Money. Yes, sir. Bravo. Rebound number 17, Zapatero. Wala pass, Kendoma. It's good. 5 minutes and 24 in the fourth quarter. Opsima for the 3. Yes, sir. Number 17, Zapatero. Kendoma. Off the glass. It's good. Rebound Opsima. Number 17, Zapatero. For the 3, Zapatero. Yes, sir! Estrella. Dumulas yung bola. So number 9, Opsima. Is a layup. Shot of the 96-81. Zapatero for the 3. Off the glass. Grabe naman dito si Zapatero. 50 seconds. Zapatero. Yes, sir. Ayawan na. Bumubuo ng commissioner ng SBL ng Team Papawi Season 3 second conference. Maraming salamat din sa sponsor ng SBL. Si number 9, Opsima. At Zapatero. Ayan mga idol. Thanks for watching. God bless.